Okay, small electrical tip that I can give you on these 2016 NEWMAR Dutchstar 4018. Mine was moving it from that area to back here. He cranked it up, let it run, trying to get the slide out, and all of a sudden, engine cut off, wouldn't crank back up, no power at the dash. So this thing had happened to us a few months ago. I was on the phone with the Freightliner Chassis Corporation. There's your cranking batteries, and there is a thing, it's called chassis batteries. Chassis ground, and you got a couple of small, about this small, 150 amp glass fuse. One was blown that supplied the power to the dash where you turn ignition on and crank it up. We keep those fuses in a stock. I would say, hey, if you're driving a NEWMAR Dutchstar 16 model or they're up around that era, I had a 19 model NEWMAR Essex had a same fuse. So keep those little 150 amp fuse in stock. I'll put a couple of pictures end of this video. Just a small tip on 2016 or any NEWMAR Dutchstar in that era, or NEWMAR product, or on a Freightliner chassis. You got a 150 amp fuse. If it blows out, you're gonna be stuck. The motorhome will not crank up. All right, have a blessed day and go RV. I believe I found the culprit right here. We got the small 150 amp fuse. Right there, it's burned out. We got them in stock. It happened to NEWMAR Essex about 6 months ago. A little bitty, I don't know there, 10 millimeter. We'll change that, we'll be ready to go. Let's see, I'll give you a report what happened. Yeah, it's in this chassis, but it's awful cheap to keep on air. Yep, I have it in hand. Keep running, running. We're running.